Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
I need to buy 3 packs of batteries at £2.99 each. How much will I need to pay?
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Anyone? Anyone?
So to work out the total amount of money I will be paying, I'll need to add 3 lots of £2.99, which is pretty tricky. If only prices were nice round numbers. Unfortunately, mostly they're not. Have you noticed how a lot of prices end in a 9? This is due to something called psychological pricing. To a customer, £19.99 seems a much better price than £20, even though there's only a 1 pence difference between the amounts. This results in customers being more likely to buy the item. While psychological pricing might be good for business, it makes it so much harder for us to calculate how much we need to pay when we buy multiple items, just like we're finding in this case. Adding £2.99 multiple times is hard, if only they cost £3 each. Well, why don't we imagine that they do cost £3 by adding 1 pence to each price? That makes it so much easier for us to calculate. 3 lots of £3 is £9. Now, all we need to do is to take off the 3 pence that we added, leaving us with the total to pay of £8.97. This mental maths technique is called rounding, and just like a bag for life, it's worth taking with you every time you go shopping. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.